Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create new Twitter account on Twitter app. So first we go and open our Twitter. We go here and tap on you can go with your Google account. If you want to create new one with email, you just cancel this and to go to and tap on create account. Here we enter our name. Here you enter your email or your phone. Here you go and use email. Here you go and enter your birthday. And we go here and tap on next. If you want to track you just keep this on. If you want to Twitter don't track you, just remove this and tap on next. Sign up. It will send a verification code to your email address, so we just wait until this email. So here, if we go here, we will see our email, and this is good. And tap on next. You go here and enter your password. After you enter your password, you go and tap on next. You can go and upload your photo, or you go and skip for now. You can add your bio, or you can go and skip for now. Here you go and choose your username. After you find available username, you just to go and tap on next. Here you choose your language. Next. Here you can go and select 3 topics to start with. Tap on next. You go and tap on next. You can follow. You just need to follow one or more accounts. We'll go here and follow. Tap on next. Here we are just to complete our sign up. We now have Twitter account. Thanks for watching. If this helps you out, please like and subscribe.